Welcome to my channel Glory with Mathematics. Please subscribe, like and share. Dear students, let us do the activity to find centroid of a triangle by using OLAP. Objective of this activity: to illustrate that the medians of a triangle concur at a point that is called the centroid, which always lies inside the triangle. So this is the diagram. PQR is a triangle. PK, QL and RM are the three medians. They meet at point C. So C is known as the centroid of the triangle PQR. So a centroid of a triangle is the point where the three medians of it meet or intersect each other. Point C in the given figure. So it is also known as the center of gravity of the triangle. So here C is known as the centroid or center of gravity of the triangle PQR. A median of a triangle is a line segment drawn from one vertex to the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. A triangle has three medians. So here PK, QL and RM are the medians. For example, if we have a triangular plate and we will try to balance the plate on your fingertip, then at some point we will find that it will be balanced completely. Then we can say that our fingertip coincides with centroid of the triangle. Then properties of centroid. It is always located within or inside the triangle. The centroid divides each median in a ratio of 2:1 with respect to the vertex of the triangle and the midpoint of the opposite side of the triangle. In other words, the centroid will always be 2/3 of the way along any given median. So this is the centroid for acute angle triangle, and here in this figure PQR is a right triangle and C is the centroid. In this figure PQR is a obtuse angle triangle and C is the centroid. Then materials required: colored paper, pencil, a pair of scissors and gum. Then procedure: from a sheet of paper, cut out an acute angle triangle PQR as shown. So this is the triangle PQR. You have to cut from the colored paper. For the triangle PQR, find the midpoint of the sides by bringing the corresponding two vertices together. M for PQ and K for QR and L for RP. Like this, M, L and Q are the midpoints of three sides. Now make three folds such that each point K, L and M join its opposite vertex to get the medians PK, QL and RM respectively. These are the three medians of a triangle. It will be observed that all the three medians will meet each other at a point, and here C is that point. So repeat the same activity for a right angle triangle and also for an obtuse angle triangle. This will also give you the same result as acute angle triangle. So these are the figures of right triangle and obtuse angle triangle. So let us go to the O lab for doing this activity. Let us find the centroid of the triangle. We will find the centroid of an acute triangle, right triangle and obtuse triangle. So first we have to draw an acute triangle. So ABC is an acute angle triangle. So to find the centroid, first we have to draw the medians, and to draw the medians we have to find the midpoints of each side. So this is side AB. So this is the midpoint of AB. P is the midpoint of AB. Then AC, the midpoint of, so this is the midpoint of AC. Then BC, so this is the midpoint of BC. So after finding the midpoints we have to draw the medians. So all the three medians are drawn. The three medians are AQ, BR and CP, and all the three medians are concurrent that meet at a point G, and G is known as the centroid of the triangle ABC. Then let us find the centroid of a right angle triangle. So first we have to draw the right angle triangle. So here ABC is a right angle triangle. So first we have to find the midpoints of each side. So here midpoint of AB is P. By using these scales we have to find the midpoint. Then scale AC. So this is 9.8 centimeter. So after 4.9 centimeter we have to find the midpoint. So R is the midpoint of SC. Then BC, the midpoint is 3.1 at 3.1. So this is Q. So then we have to draw the medians. So all the three medians are drawn and they meet at a point. That point is known as centroid. So here G is the centroid of the triangle ABC, where ABC is a right angle triangle. Then let us find the centroid of an obtuse angle triangle. So first we have to draw an obtuse angle triangle. So here ABC is an obtuse angle triangle. So to find the midpoint of AB, so here P is the midpoint of AB. Then from SC, R is the midpoint of SC. Then from side BC, so here this is Q is the midpoint of BC. Then we have to draw the medians. So here also you observe that the three medians of an obtuse triangle are concurrent, and their concurrent point is G here, and G is known as the centroid of the triangle.